So hello everyone, we are going to talk about Semaphore, which is belong to Activity-4. So by the way, I am Mike the General and I am here to explain more about how the code or program run. So first, we are going to discuss this four library and what is their function. So for Studio.h, it is a library which standard in for input or output where dealing declarations or functions. For the second library, which is pthread.h, it contains function declaration and mappings for trading interfaces and defines a number of constants used by those functions. So the third library, which is semaphore.h, it's defined the same type used in performing semaphore or operations. For the fourth library, which is unistd.h, it is a name of the header file that provides access to the POSIX or operating system like API.
So this line, the SEMT mutex, the mutex stands as the semaphore. On this part of the code, the sem underscore wait indicates or checks if there are no threads occupying the resources. So if the resources is not occupied, the thread one will now be executed. So in the next one, the critical section. The critical section. The number 4 here stands as the seconds which pauses or sleeps the code for 4 seconds. And next, signal, the sempost. Sempost, it will release the semaphore and opens the resource. So this indicates that the next thread can now occupy the resource.
So we are now on the int for our int function. So this is sim init or this 20th line is been defined by semaphore.h library to perform or initialize to pass to the semaphore, which is the value 0 and shared to the thread. But when you use 1 or non-zero value, it's declared the program to run the semaphore. So by declaring the pthread in line 27, pthread.t by declaring variable t1 and t2 which is defined a thread 1 and thread 2. For the 28th line, which is pthread create or creating a line which thread 1 null, thread and null. So in this program, when we declare this one, it passes through the void thread. It's declare, it's run again on the same way with text print and sleep for 4 seconds and undergo to the signal and pass through to the pthread join and sleep again in 2 seconds and declaring again the pthread create, which is the thread 2 that passes through again to the void thread undergo undergoing to the wait and critical section and going through back again to the signal, which declare again the pthread join or the thread 2 join. After the program declared the thread 1, which is the pthread create, thread 1 pthread join, and pthread 2, which is create, and created pthread 2 join, the system will stop and destroy it. So after we discuss about how this program or code works, we're now undergoing to the output, which we will run the program. Go.
So to run the program, we must enter the code. Period uh, Act 4. So this is the program. These two lines, these first two lines is the thread 1, and these two lines is the thread 2. So after entering this entered, it will pause for 4 seconds, and then the just exiting word will follow.
Just exiting output or shown, the, sh- the program will wait another, after just exiting, it is followed by entered. Then wait for 2 seconds. Then the just exiting thread 2 will pop up. So this is how the program works, or the code works, which is all about the semaphore. So that is all. Thank you.